Um, so today I'm going to buy like one pair of or two pairs, let's say two pairs of pants, which uh, so two pair of pants to use my keychain that I just made, okay, effectively. Um, and um, and also I'm going to do the 10 minutes video, so that will be an introduction of my story and the company that I want to create. Okay. Um, the company project that I want to create start. Okay. So um, and maybe some I already got I think enough t-shirts. Maybe some sport clothes though. So sport clothes um, and pants. Uh, that so pants and shorts that are able um, to hold a lot of things and hold my keychain, especially my keychain. Okay, because I don't have a lot of clothes and I like lost a lot of my clothes. Okay. So basically, some of my clothes like disappeared. Okay. Some I left in the US. And honestly, I left really nice clothes that I wanted to keep. So like clothes that held memories for me. You see. So honestly. Uh, so so at one point, I had the possibility of having them shipped to me, but basically I didn't want to pay so much. Basically, the shipping was like more than $100-$200, um, and I did not want to pay so much for that. Um, and also there was a lot of problems when I tried to do that on the internet, like all the problems that I got now. Okay, so that's why I didn't got them shipped. Um, and I think I asked maybe I asked my friend to just trash them, but so basically it was at a point where I was drugged. Okay, so and I didn't earn any money at the time also. So my parents don't have a lot of money. I don't have a lot of money. So you see, I was like uh, not sure about keeping these clothes, paying $200 and potentially having problems with doing that. So I was like, no, you see. Um, um, and so um, uh, so I don't remember the last messages I sent about that. Let me check. Okay. So basically, in so basically I got a French friend. I don't know if he's still in the US, but he had my clothes, and basically um, I w- I was just conversing with him. I was drugged a lot at the time, so and I wasn't responding quickly to messages because basically I was in a very, very, very unsure state. All right, and when I'm in a very, very unsure state, I just don't know what to say to anything. Okay, and so basically, I wanted to get them, but it was $200. My parents around $200. My parents are not rich at all. I didn't. So I at the time I was earning money, but I was not earning like a very high salary. You see, I was earning maybe 2,300 euros, something like that. So basically, I was like spending 10%. You see, 10% of my income to get clothes. I was like, that's too expensive. You see, just imagine. So if you're American, you're probably earning between $5,000 and $10,000 a month. So just imagine if to ship some clothes, you were paying uh, literally $700. You see, it's crazy. So so that's why I was like, no, I'm not going to pay for that. And so I didn't respond in a sure way. And so my friend was like, okay, I'm gonna put them in a giving box. You see, so obviously it's not his fault. Okay, not at all. Jan, oh, sorry. So he's called. His name is Jan. Jan is a very nice guy, and he wanted to base. So basically, he kept it for a while, and um, after a while, you see, I was unsure. It was really expensive for me, and so he said, "Okay, I'm gonna put them in a giving box." So honestly, Jan, really, really nice guy. It's just that, I mean, nice guy, not in a bad way. Okay, because some people say no, that nice guys is bad. I mean, really good friend. Okay, and basically, I uh, so please do not interpret words um, like how sometimes people interpret them. Interpret the sentiment of what I'm conveying. Okay, do not interpret the exact words. Okay, um, and um, so yeah. So he gave them away because basically I didn't earn a lot of money. I was just starting my job. I didn't know about the future. You see, I was drugged, so you get it. I was drugged. I didn't know about the future. Um, I wanted to get them, but it was really expensive, equivalent to $700 for US people, for French people, equivalent of. So I think pe- people in France earn maybe a bit less, so equivalent to around 10% of a salary for people in France. So can you imagine that? So I was like, I was like no. Okay, I was really unsure. I was not like no, but I was really unsure. And so basically so Jan took the decision of giving them away, and honestly, for me, it was the right decision at the time. Okay, honestly, because Jan could not keep my clothes. He does not have space for my clothes. You see, so it was the right decision at the time. Okay, I was really unsure. You see, so here you go. But I would have wanted to get them back. Okay, but it's just that at the time it was too expensive and I was really unsure. So Jan made the right decision to give them away. Okay, so here you go. So I lost a lot of clothes like that, and so I'm going to basically buy some clothes. It's been a while since I bought clothes. Okay. So this t-shirt is maybe 10 years old. You see, so you get the problem. So donc là, ce que je viens de dire, c'est qu'en gros, j'ai perdu énormément de vêtements. Alors, je vais d'abord vérifier la séquence d'intégrité là.